Lendl Calder here with the After Game Report with Amanda Wortham.
Hello.
Amanda, tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm a senior music education major from Crystal Lake, Illinois, and I play flute, and I live in Bergendorf. That's pretty much.
Hey Amanda, let's talk about the paper I handed back to you today, your 2-page U.S. Story of America essay. Yeah. Now, I thought yours was fascinating. You did it as an acrostic. That's what that's called, right?
Acrostic
Where
poem.
it's, what does it say going down the left-hand side?
A history, in quotes, of the United States.
Ah, and then for each
that's what I-
letter of the alphabet in there, you said something about American history. Yeah. Now, I thought your story was kind of a gory story. I mean, there were a lot of negative stuff in there. Do you agree that that's how you make sense of the American past?
Yeah, I mean, I agree with part of what the glory stories say, but a lot of what's left out, especially in history books, is what we did to get there. We just hear about the end result. Oh, yeah, we're here, and we pioneered the frontier. But, like today in the film, it never says, but we killed a lot of people to do it.
Right, and you have so much killing in there.
Yep.
It's like very close to a gory story. There's like only bad stuff. America's the worst country that ever existed type stuff. Do you believe that?
Not necessarily, just
Okay.
because
All right.
I don't think.
So I hesitate to sort of say what people think the story is based on this one assignment, but it was almost to the level of gory story in there. Maybe you'll want to work on that as we go along in the course and sort of rethink how you understand the story. And that's the point of this assignment, to find out where you are now so that you can change it if you want to as we go forward. And that's why I attached this final sheet. Everybody's history of the U.S. has a sheet on the back where you'll find people responding to the kind of story you're telling. So I clicked on yours, a critical review of gory stories, because yours was close to that. And you can see there what somebody would say who doesn't think your story is a very good one. And why do we do that? Listen to people who disagree with us.
It's good to know what people think who don't agree with you so that you can better support your own arguments.
Exactly.
And have a discussion rather than an argument.
That's right. That's right. It's like Nietzsche said, that which doesn't kill me makes me stronger.
Yep.
So this is one way to make your story stronger, is by listening to what people would say who don't agree with it. Good.
Yep.
Mingo, you have anything to say?
He
Oh, jeez.
looks kind of down and out today.
Yeah, I think Mingo's been hitting the sauce a little bit, maybe while I was gone over the weekend, so
Yeah, the weekend was kind of crazy.
we'll just leave him alone. Now, do you got any questions about the assignment coming up for Wednesday, Amanda?
One question I did have is, can we use material from the film today in our essay for Wednesday?
Oh, that's a great question. Carrie asked me that too after the 8:30 class this morning. Absolutely. A propaganda film like we watched today, that is itself a document. And whatever your question is, if the film has evidence to help you answer it, use the film. Just quote from it.
Okay, would it be considered primary source then?
Absolutely,
Okay.
it would be a primary source. How do you know what a primary source is? You've had some history before.
Yeah, and I've been here for a while.
Yeah,
You
okay.
learn things at Augustine.
Yeah, well, I haven't really introduced that term yet in this class, but we'll call that a primary source because it's from the past. It's the kind of evidence we use to come to our conclusions about history. So, yeah, use these films and the evidence in them in your papers if you find a way to do so.
Okay.
Okay. Well, great. It's great talking with you, Amanda.
You too.
All right. Mingo, are you... Yeah, he's down for the count. See you Wednesday.